Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best back bar refrigerators in 2026. If you run a bar, restaurant, or cafe, these top under-counter coolers are perfect for keeping drinks perfectly chilled and ready to serve. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Frostronics 54 inches. 335 cans back bar beverage refrigerator. The Frostronics back bar cooler is an impressive beverage storage solution with dimensions of 20.47-inch dx53, wx34h and a capacity of 10.8 cubic feet, allowing it to hold up to 335 cans. This freezeless unit features a sleek black design with stylish, lockable dual sliding doors made from double-layered low-E glass, transforming it into a sophisticated beverage gallery. It is equipped with adjustable shelves that can be removed and repositioned to accommodate taller bottles and oversized items, ensuring optimal organization. The powerful compressor-based cooling system maintains a stable temperature range between 32-50 plus or minus 2 degrees F, adjustable in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments, guaranteeing perfectly chilled drinks regardless of the ambient temperature. Built for durability, the cooler includes an automatic defrost function and a user-friendly horizontal sliding door structure, minimizing energy wastage with its auto-close feature. Additionally, Frostronics offers unparalleled customer care with a 3-year warranty on the refrigeration system and a 1-year warranty on non-consumable components, along with complimentary support from their expert team on Amazon. Customers can also extend their warranty for an additional year at no extra charge by registering their refrigerator. Number 2. BODEGACOOLER Commercial Back Bar Refrigerator. The Bodega Commercial Bar Refrigerator boasts impressive dimensions of 20.87-inch dx35.43, wx35.43h and a substantial capacity of 12 cubic feet, allowing it to store up to 168 beer bottles or 336 cans, making it ideal for bars, restaurants, home pubs, and various commercial settings. Featuring a sleek black design with 2 doors and wheels for easy mobility, this refrigerator is constructed from rust-proof SUS30 for food-grade stainless steel and anti-corrosion embossed aluminum sheets, ensuring durability and hygiene. It includes 4 removable wire shelves to accommodate a variety of beverages and snacks, and its double-layer low-E glass doors provide excellent insulation while showcasing the contents beautifully. The automatic defrost system, LED interior lighting, and smart touch control buttons enhance user convenience, while the heavy-duty construction with smooth rolling casters allows for effortless movement. Designed for efficient cooling and energy savings, this bar cooler maintains a stable temperature range of 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, 32, 50, and comes with a 1-year warranty for refrigeration issues. BODEGACOOLER also offers reliable customer support and careful delivery, ensuring that each unit arrives ready for use. Number 3. Coolake Back Bar Cooler. The Coolake Back Bar Cooler is a freestanding unit with dimensions of 28-inch dx72, wx39.5h and a capacity of 24.2 cubic feet, making it ideal for commercial use. It features 3 solid doors that provide superior insulation and energy efficiency, maintaining internal temperatures between 33 and 41. The powerful 1/4 horsepower side-mount cooling system allows for front ventilation, enabling installation against other equipment. With 6 adjustable shelves that can support up to 100 pounds each, it maximizes storage efficiency for heavy bulk ingredients, including kegs and beverages. The cooler is designed with a durable 1.77-inch thick stainless steel worktop that resists bumps and scratches, and self-closing swing doors with magnetic gaskets ensure a tight seal. Additionally, each door is equipped with a lock for security during off-hours, and the interior is illuminated with energy-efficient LED lighting for enhanced product visibility. Overall, the Coolake Back Bar Cooler combines functionality and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for busy bars and restaurants. Number 4. Coolake 72-inch Commercial Back Bar Refrigerator. The Coolake 72-inch Commercial Back Bar Cooler is an ideal addition for bars, restaurants, and offices, featuring 3 glass doors that provide easy access and visibility to your beverages. With a spacious capacity of 24.2 cubic feet, this stainless steel top back bar refrigerator is designed to accommodate a variety of drinks while maintaining optimal temperatures between 33-41. Its counter-height design ensures that it fits seamlessly into your establishment, making it both a functional and stylish choice for storing your beverages. The Coolake commercial back bar cooler boasts impressive dimensions of 28-inch dx72 wx39.5h and offers a generous capacity of 24.2 cubic feet, making it ideal for storing up to 3 1/2 kegs and accommodating various bulk ingredients for bar service. This freezeless unit features a sleek black design and includes 3 doors, with 6 adjustable epoxy-coated wire shelves that can each hold up to 88 pounds. The cooler is equipped with several special features including adjustable shelves, automatic defrost, a door lock, and LED display, and touch control for user convenience. Designed for freestanding installation, it operates on a reliable 1/6 HP motor that ensures efficient cooling through a side-to-side airflow system, maintaining optimal temperatures even with frequent door openings. Additionally, the use of R290 refrigerant enhances its cooling performance while prioritizing energy efficiency. Number 5. Coolake 60-inch back bar refrigerator. The Coolake 60-inch back bar cooler is an ideal addition for any bar, RV, office, or store, featuring 2 glass doors that allow for easy visibility of the beverages inside. With a temperature range of 33-41, this cooler ensures that drinks are kept at the perfect serving temperature. It offers a spacious 17.3 cubic feet of storage capacity, making it suitable for a variety of beverages. The stainless steel top adds a sleek and durable finish, while the built-in LED lighting enhances visibility and showcases your drinks beautifully. This commercial-grade counter-height beverage refrigerator combines functionality with style, making it a great choice for both professional and personal use. The Coolake commercial back bar cooler features dimensions of 24-inch dx60 wx39.5h and offers a generous capacity of 17.3 cubic feet, making it ideal for storing up to 3 1/2 kegs along with various bottles and fresh ingredients for mixed drinks. This freestanding unit is designed with 2 doors and includes 4 adjustable epoxy-coated wire shelves, each capable of holding up to 88 pounds. It boasts a range of special features such as adjustable shelves, automatic defrost, a door lock, and LED display, and touch control for added convenience. The reliable cooling system is powered by a robust 1/6 HP motor that ensures efficient air distribution through side-to-side circular airflow, keeping products ice-cold even with frequent door openings. Additionally, the use of R290 refrigerant enhances its cooling performance while maintaining energy efficiency. The sleek black color adds to its aesthetic appeal, making it a practical and stylish addition to any bar service setup. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more restaurant and kitchen equipment reviews. Thanks for watching.